Okay, this is day 3 of the Great Dig Out. Finally got a bobcat in here, doing some work. We might get out by tomorrow, late tonight. My neighbor's got the right idea.
It's hot.
It's getting hot.
It's getting hot here.
These are my neighbors from Holland, isn't it?
From Holland, yeah.
Awesome. They got a great view, sitting here drinking their coffee, and checking out the great scenery. So they're not worried about the snow.
No, not at all.
They even like it. Yeah. All right, we'll keep digging. There's the best woman in the world, shoveling away, making her way to her car, getting closer all the time. Dig, woman, dig!
Okay, what is today? Day 3?
Day 3 of the Great Dig Out.
Shovel party.
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes. Woo, look at that mountain. Mountain of snow. Yeah, we got a lot of ice right there in front. And get all that broke up so we don't break a leg.
Break a leg. That should be enough time. Alright, things are looking better. We're inside the RV now. Got mostly dug out. We're just waiting for I-95 to open up so we can back up the RV and get situated, hook up the trailer, get the car back on there. We've got the batteries going and got some satellite TV, watching the Weather Channel, trying to find out when they're going to open up I-90. That's what we're.
Yeah, it should 95.
I meant I-90. It's all shut down. That's the route we got to take. But it's a beautiful day today.
Be open tomorrow.
Yeah. Still a lot of snow.
Doing good.